Report came to the police about the location of a stolen vehicle. When the cops arrived, they met the culprit sleeping inside the vehicle.
3-5, do we know how this vehicle was taken?
Taken by an unknown person with keys. But it's showing straight. I'm gonna push that vehicle until you get back up there.
3-3, we're not locating anything. I'll hear you sometime if this number's full.
Yeah, I'll be a second.
Remember how quickly these cars are on you when they start to go away. So don't just be quick.
Do you want me to angle that in?
Should we bring that other car up here as well, you think, or leave it for now?
I don't really want to leave somebody out that's passed out this way because there's trouble with like maybe without power steering or something. Power steering, they like to fire on to be advised.
It's really fucking weird how they passed out like that. Anything.
You guys want switch sides? Passenger side? You guys want to just pull out? Probably more to just pull out from this side.
What's in his lap?
It's like a torch. It's like some kind of a torch.
Alright.
Yeah, just pretty sure about what the condition of the car is in the parking lot. Just an open parking lot. What's going on?
Oh, just about back of the church square.
It is in park though.
You don't think there's also going to go bumper to bumper with it to keep it locked in?
He wants us to go bumper to
Do you think
bumper.
somebody would be able to set up bumper to bumper and push bar to bumper?
Yes.
Yeah.
Alright. You want to grab your car?
Okay, make sure it's also with a push bar on it. Goes bumper to bumper with it. Keep it in position. Somebody get behind it. Do that as well from behind.
Move him!
Hands. Keep your hands up. You want to grab those keys out?
No,
I got my, yeah.
Stop moving. Stop moving.
Stop moving.
Here, get out of the car. Get out of the car.
Ain't nobody even did nothing, so I'm just saying, hold on.
No, get out of the car.
Alright, why don't you get out of the car? Can I get out?
Get out. Let's go. No.
Get out. Put your hands. Put your hands where I can see them at. Get out.
Your hands. Let me see your hand. Let me see your hand. Let me see your hand. Let me see your hand.
Slow. Keep your hands up. Keep your hands up. Leave your shoes where they're at.
What?
Hey, we have back passenger. Hey, just move him. Move him.
Hands. Keep your hands up.
In the area. 44.
Grab those keys out.
No, hold on, not yet. Oh, just keep an eye on him. Stop moving. Stop moving.
Stop moving.
Here, just get out of the car. Get out of the car.
Ain't nobody even did nothing, so I'm just saying, hold on.
No, just get out of the car.
I'm about to get out the car. Can I get out?
Get out. Let's go. No, let me. Show me your hand. We're good. Hey, calm down.
He's trying to.
Car's off.
Car's off.
The phone's off. Watch out, move!
Oh! Get the fuck down! Get the fuck down! How are you? How are you? Get the fuck out! Get the fuck out! Right now! Somebody help me! Get off the fucking ground!
I'm good.
Get on the fucking ground! It's okay.
Yeah, I'm good.
Oh, get on your fucking stuff! Oh, man. Oh, man, okay.
Is Caraballo good? You okay? Are you okay?
Are you good?
No, I'm good. Do we got all three?
Yo, put your arm behind your back.
Do we have all three?
Hey, yo, back him up on time, give him time, okay? Grab that.
Let them help you out. We'll take care of everything else. You get taken care of that.
Priority. Got him? Got one in your hand. Well, you okay, man? Relax.
Yeah.
No, relax.
I want to make sure this guy gets.
I think we have all three. Do we have all three?
I got one right
You
here.
got one over here, too.
Stable right now.
You're a grown man that can drive a car cops.
No. No. No.
Car theft.
No.
Guys, there's a description on the last guy, Richard Trevor, anything?
No, no. There was only three.
There's only three.
Yeah, we got one here and two there.
Put stuff in here. What?
Yeah, we did today have all three in custody.
Yeah, we have all three.
Copy all three are in custody.
Right there on
You good?
I'm good.
Go over to EMS.
I would like to find my glasses. You guys
We will
find a
look for
pair
your
of
glasses.
eyeglasses in
Go
there?
over to go over and talk to EMS.
I'm good.
Careful, make you do
you have
any
to-
glasses in these cars.